In this lesson, we'll break down the real meaning and diagnostic value of comparing commanded and actual scan data, keys to verifying system performance and avoiding costly mistakes. Before a fault, systems closely follow the ECU's commands. If the module asks for an actuator to engage, the live data for commanded and actual values should match. Any gap can point to faults in power, ground, signal, or the actuator itself. The ECU can only judge system status through signals, position sensors, or feedback circuits. If a feedback wire is open or a sensor lies, the ECU's scan data may not match reality, misleading diagnostics unless verified. With the right operating condition, compare the commanded PID to actual system response. Matching values confirm function. A mismatch could be due to wiring, actuator failure, power, ground, or even a second fault upstream. When you see a mismatch, cross-check related PIDs, such as voltage, current, or a different sensor reporting the same event. If needed, measure directly at the component or use a bidirectional test to issue a command. This narrows down if the fault is in the signal, the actuator, or the module's output stage. After confirming the mismatch, use a logical test path. Is the command reaching the actuator? Is feedback returning? Are supporting voltages and grounds intact? Each step builds evidence until the actual fault is pinpointed, not just guessed from limited scan data. A single scan value, even if it looks wrong, does not automatically prove which part is bad. Jumping from a mismatch to a part replacement leads to unnecessary work and missed underlying root causes. Only act after confirming with related checks. Always compare commanded and actual values along with operating conditions. Cross-check related PIDs, use measurement when needed, and confirm every potential fault before making a repair decision. This saves time, money, and improves diagnostic accuracy. Testing and comparing commanded versus actual values is how real evidence replaces guesswork. Always finish with proof.